Hello my friends! I'm gonna show you how to make a shirt collar patterns. My name is Jean and welcome to Pattern Studio 101. I'm a professional pattern maker and I'm helping fashion students to improve their pattern making skills. Today's video, we are gonna make a shirt collar patterns. It looks like this. It's very common design. You can see everywhere and most of you guys have at least one, right? Let's make patterns. To make shirt collar patterns, you need neck measurement from the body patterns. So get your front neck measurement and back neck measurement. When you measure the front neck, measure the extension separately. So you have a back neck, front neck, and extension. Let's start drawing a guideline. Length could be front neck plus back neck, but it doesn't have to be exact for now. And draw a vertical line. This vertical line is your center back. So this corner is center back neck, CBN. From CBN, measure the back neck. This is HSP, which is high shoulder point. From HSP, measure the front neck. Just front neck without extension. And from there, we're gonna go up 1/2 inch. Connect to high shoulder point. Let's make this line curved, just a little bit, like 1/16 or 1/8. When you draw this curve, extend the line at the center front, about 1/2 inch. Okay, from the high shoulder point, measure the front neck along the curve. From that point, draw a perpendicular line. This is the new center front. At the center back, go up 1 inch. At the high shoulder point, mark 1 inch up. At the center front, go up by 1 inch. Draw a straight line along the back neck and curved line for the front neck. So you keep 1 inch width along the collar stand. From the center front, mark the front extension. You measured it from your front body patterns, remember? Mine is 1/2 inch. Could be 3/8, could be 3/4. Then draw a curved line. Make a shape. This is your collar stand. Let's draw a collar. At the center back, go up 1 inch and draw a perpendicular line as your back neck measurement. And connect to the center front. Again, we are going to make the front neck curved, just 1/16 or 1/8. And then take out 1/8 inch from the center front because we don't want colors to overlap at the center front when you wear. From there, draw a guideline. This guideline is parallel to the center back line, just straight up about 2 inches. Let's go back to the center back. We're gonna have a 1.5 inch collar width at the center back. So find the point 1.5 inch and draw a perpendicular line. You can draw a collar front depending on your design, but let's do a very basic style. From the point two lines meet, measure 1.5 inch and connect to the center front, the point that you took out 1/8. This is your collar. On the collar stand, make a notch where the collar ends. Divide by 2 at the center front line on the collar stand. You will have a button here. This is the button position. For the buttonhole, draw a line 1/8 on the extension and your button measurement on the neck. If your button is 3/8, then 3/8, half, then half inch. We're done. Center back will be a fold line. If you make a collar stand without collar, it is called Mandarin collar, right? When I make a video about Mandarin collar later in the future, I'll show you how colors look different when you wear, depends on how much curve you make. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss new lessons. Have a great week and I'll see you in the next video.